So that's my home. That's Splash. That's me. So I've been to Khajuraho already. This is just like a pass by place, but I think I'm gonna stay here, sort some things out, and plan my trip like a rough plan, a big plan, which helps me to figure out where to go next, what to do next, and everything. So, yes, good morning, everybody.
ये पौने के लिए आपसे
नहीं
कहा
नहीं,
है।
थैंक
एक
यू।
तो ले लो ये 40 रुपीज
नहीं नहीं, मेरे किसी काम की नहीं है, और मैं स्टोर भी करना होगा मेरे को, और मेरे को यहाँ से साउथ तक जाना है। तो ऐसे छोटी छोटी चीज़ें अगर उठाते गए तो वो बहुत सारी हो जाएंगी,
एक में क्या
एक एक करके फिर वो बढ़ती जाएंगी। बट आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट, होप यू मेक अ लॉट ऑफ सेल।
यू आर लिविंग नाउ
हाँ, ब्रेकफास्ट करने के लिए बताया तो। Thank you. The people here are like facing very bad time right now because international flights has not been open yet, so they cannot come here, and like no tourist traction at all. Only local crowd, like, and local crowd from the neighboring places. That too, that's all. And I think it will take like not some months, some days, but it will, like, the tourist traction will start again next year, not before that, because yet the flights are to be open, and that's the breakfast place I planned to come to, but it's closed. Well, I just want some tea, that's all. If you ever come in Khajuraho, like, watch this video again, you'll for sure figure out where I am right now. So that's the western set of temples. Just from the main road, when you take right, actually it's just a right, so anyways you have to take right, would come this place. This is like one of the best places to have paratha. The price is super cheap and the place is really friendly, so you should try this for sure. So that's how massive a 25 rupees paratha is. Like, this is good for one person for a time. I think even more. And it's really tasty. The last time I was here, all the time, like, all my breakfasts were here. And because you see, when you're traveling, some meals you should spend less, and then other meals you should just kill it. So this was the place where I used to come and save money, and the rest of the meals we used to kill it. Also, I'll show you this thali place, which has the best veg thali, no doubt, in the city for sure. So he's one man show here. He does mostly everything. Also somebody is helping him. भैया आप अकेले ही सारा काम करते हो कि
पापा
ब्रदर और
अभी ब्रदर है तो शाम को पापा आएंगे
अच्छा अंकल और पापा के साथ
इनके नाम पे दुकान है
अच्छा and 7 months 8 months back I was here. This man was like running the whole kitchen like a superhero, and he's a really hard working man, and the parathas are super tasty. भैया आपका नाम क्या है?
जानू अहमद
जानू अहमद. थैंक यू अहमद भाई इतने टेस्टी पराठे खिलाने के लिए.
थैंक यू सो
मैं दूसरी बार आ रहा हूँ, मैं मतलब खजुराहो दूसरी बार आ रहा हूँ. मैं आपकी दुकान खोजते हुए वापस आया हूँ. बहुत ही अच्छा, थैंक यू. So do come to his shop if you come to Khajuraho, because it's like economical and fulfilling. I think those two words are enough to describe a good eatery. Yes, that's it. Splash, the Thinking Monkey, Ganesh ji. What else? Can a indoor, not really indoor, this is like kind of tin shed and rest, it's opening. Semi-indoor would be an appropriate word for this. Indoor or semi-indoor camping space could have. Also, I don't think I'll be camping here tonight because I'm on a tight budget, and I don't think they will agree to what I've asked the price for this camping spot. Actually, usually the camping spots are free, but most of the time, but not at a very touristy place. Because you see, for them space matters, and also after COVID everybody wants to recover from the bad economy, so they're trying to make money, which is absolutely perfect. They are a business, that's what they do, but still this doesn't support my pocket. So I will go out, camp somewhere around the street. That's how motor gypsy stuff happens. So I was eating shitty food. I plan to go light. I'm just getting boiled eggs. I came to this shop and he offers a boiled egg for 5 rupees, which usually you get for 8, no less than that. And I asked him like, why are you doing this? He was super confident about this, and he had like other placard like this which says some other price. दादा फिर से बताइएगा, तो आप 5 रुपए का अंडा क्यों बेच रहे हैं?
अब वो मालिक का ऑर्डर है भैया हमारा।
अच्छा,
ये 5 का भेज दो तो 5 का।
कंपटीशन क्रिएट कर रहे हैं आप, हैं?
अब कंपटीशन हो जाए उनका जा।
So this young mechanic would be giving my seat a seat cover, and yeah, I love it when my bike gets something modded. So I met Anjul on Couchsurfing, and he has a very interesting story. So आपकी वाइफ रशियन है, और आप उनसे कैसे काउचसर्फिंग पे मिले?
बाइक काउचसर्फिंग भी मीट सी राइट, लाइक उसने लिखा था कि मतलब हमें मिलना है और चाय कॉफी मिलेंगे, वो घुमाने फिरने खजुराहो के बारे में थोड़ा
बता देना। हाँ, जैसे काउचसर्फिंग पे एक्सपीरियंस एक्सचेंज करते हैं।
नहीं बोला उन्होंने,
अच्छा,
जस्ट
घूम मतलब, हाँ, वाओ। और
दो दोस्त थे वो लोग, तो बस उनसे मिले थे हम।
और आपने इंट्रोड्यूस किया है खजुराहो में काउचसर्फिंग?
हाँ, मतलब मैं इसके पहले एक बंदा चलाता था,
हाँ।
उसके में रेफरेंस थी, बाकी वो साइलेंट था, उसने किसी को होस्ट नहीं किया कभी, जैसे मान लो किसी मिला कॉफ़ी। बाकी मैं 2010 से काउचसर्फिंग चला रहा हूँ, और खजुराहो में कम से कम 200 से 300 आदमियों की अकाउंट मैंने खुद बनाए होंगे।
अच्छा।
काउचसर्फिंग में खजुराहो में मतलब एक वो फादर बोलते ना,
हाँ।
काउचसर्फिंग फादर, मतलब
हाँ।
अपन बोल सकते हैं मुझको,
फादर ऑफ काउचसर्फिंग।
हाँ,
मैंने देखा, पता है, एक पास में चौराहे पे चाय की दुकान है, वहाँ वो भैया काउचसर्फिंग चलाते थे, और फिर
अब तो खैर अब तो गिनती है खजुराहो में,
हाँ,
छोटा
तो
सा
बहुत
खजुराहो है,
लोग
ज़्यादा
चलाते हैं, हाँ, सबको।
हाँ, लेकिन ये है कि खजुराहो में मतलब काउचसर्फिंग अच्छा है, लेकिन
बट पता है, सबको कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं समझ में आया।
कॉन्सेप्ट तो ठीक है, बाकी आदमी मतलब 90% तो बिजनेस के लिए यूज कर रहे हैं।
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली। मैंने पता है लोगों के रेफरेंसेस देखे।
अपना लिखा है, जैसे मान लो मैंने होटल,
हाँ।
मेरा भी होटल है। अब मैंने काउचसर्फिंग किया, जो पहले मैं घर में रुका था, अब देखो थोड़ा मैच्योर हो गया, और ट्रिप भी मतलब बहुत कम रहता, तो मैं क्या कर रहा, मैं सोचा डॉर्म बना दूं, तो
हाँ।
एक डॉर्म में दे दिया तो देखो फर्क नहीं पड़ता, रूम देना।
हाँ,
मेरे
हाँ।
होटल में थोड़ा
Had to get my rear wheel bearings fixed, actually replaced, and he is like the most suggested mechanic in all of Khajuraho. So here I am. Let's see how long this bearing lasts. I hope it lasts long, because too much repair job these days. So these are the wheel bearings. They are fine, but where the wheel bearings are kept, that particular place is bigger than it should be because of an accident I had in the northeast. I'll talk about that later. So the solution for the problem is, like, you have to change the whole hub, but this man has a solution for it. This is like kind of a temporary fix, in Hindi better known as jugaad. I hope this works, so I don't have to spend a lot of money, and if this works, it would be a blessing. Also, I'm sorry I didn't talk about what the jugaad is. So this is a sheet of metal, a very thin sheet of metal. It looks like a school art project, but it's a lot more interesting than that. So he'll shape it out, put this piece of metal in it, and then try to fix the bearing, and hope it works, and hope it works for a long time. Seriously, because a lot of money is going in the bike. Well, it's anyways a cheap bike, but still, I don't want to spend more. If somebody who has a mechanical knowledge is watching this video right now, he would be totally surprised to see what the and also this nut was broken, so yeah, another thing. इधर भी 2-3 बार टच करा दीजिए तो. The main mechanic here got his hand burned, so an uncle sitting inside told him to apply honey, and he gave me some to try. It is super tasty, not like the one you get in box. This is pure natural. Even looks different, darker.